Hey everyone, I am Arav Dikshit and you are watching Connect Akarosh English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like this. So let's get started. Today we are going to continue our Python series and this is our part 9. And in this video we are going to study about while loops, and in previous video we have already studied about for loops in Python, and we have do a task for printing a number from 1 to 100, and we will do the same task with the help of while loop. So let's go to our computer screen and get started. So here if I go to my computer, it's like this. So I have already run my VS Code here and we can write the code here. Now in previous videos we have write for I in range, and then we do print I, and that's print our counting from 1 to 100. But now we want to do the same task with the help of while loop. Now what is while loop? While means when this condition will be true, then only run this. I am saying that if this condition in while loop, the syntax of while, firstly I show you the syntax of while loop. Here you write the while, and after that you pass a condition here, and the condition colon and tab. Here you write your code, and it doesn't give you anything such as the I parameters. It doesn't give you that. You have to do that manually in it. But it is very useful when you are working with computer vision, because if you will work with computer vision, then it will automatically demand that if cap dot is open, then only run this. And if you want infinite loop, then you also use while loop. If you use while and then space and then true, for true T will be capital and colon and space, then it, and here you write the code, then this loop will run for infinite time. This loop will run for infinite time. I don't want to save this document, and I will just create a simple program. I say I is equal to 0, and while I is not equal to, for in Python we have not operator for that. It changes the true value to false and false value to true. And if I is equal to 100, not I is equal to 100, if I is equal to 100, then it will changes true to false and false to true. 101. Then if that is 1, then 1 is not equal to 101, then it will go here, then not will change 100, then not will change that false to true, and then true will act in while loop, and while loop will run the code. And I say print the I, and I is 1. And then after this I say I plus is equal to 1. It means it will increment 1. It will increment with 1. If you want with 2, then you can increment with 2, like that. And if I save this and run this, it will print the number 1 to 100. As you can see, it's printing, and it's printed on the screen. So this is the thing that we use with while loop. And that's it guys, this is in the video. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video. And now our control is flows statements are completed now, and from after this video we can do many projects with the help of this LAM knowledge, and I will do some projects. So let me quit the video.